Ready to learn. Hey there, awesome students. Are you ready to dive into a world of learning, fun, and adventure? Whether you're a new student or returning, we've got some fantastic tips and tricks for you. First things first, safety. Our school is a safe and exciting place, and we all play a part in keeping it that way. Always follow the rules, whether it's walking in the hallway, online safety, or cleaning your area after you finish your lunch. A great day starts with a super morning routine. Make sure you get a good night's sleep, wake up with a smile, and enjoy a healthy breakfast. Fueling your brain and body will give you the energy you need to take on the day. Make sure you have your school supplies. Get excited about using your favorite pencils, notebooks, and don't forget that trusty backpack. It's all about expressing your style and being ready for your day. Being responsible means taking care of your things. Keep your workspace tidy, pick up after yourself, and don't forget to complete your assignments on time. When everyone does their part, our school becomes a neat and organized place to learn and grow. Respect is like a superpower that makes our school community stronger. Respect means listening when someone is speaking, using kind words, and treating others the way you want to be treated. When we show respect, we create an awesome atmosphere where everyone feels valued. You know what's really cool? We're all unique and special in our own ways. Our school is a place where we can celebrate those differences. So whether someone looks different or likes different things, always treat them with respect and kindness. Our diversity makes our school a wonderful place to learn and make friends. If you see someone being left out or treated unkindly, stand up for them. Be a friend, include others, and make our school a place where everyone feels welcome and supported. Remember, every day is a chance to learn something new. Stay positive and believe in yourself. You are capable of amazing things, and your unique ideas make a difference. Support your classmates. A high five and an encouraging word can go a long way. School is like a treasure trove of knowledge waiting to be explored. From math puzzles to exciting science experiments, every day you will discover something cool in every subject. Get ready for classroom adventures. Keep an open mind and let your curiosity lead the way. Your teacher is your guide, and your classmates are your partners on this journey. Raise your hand, ask questions, and share your thoughts. Learning together makes everything more fun. Learning is important, but so is having fun during break time. Run around, play games, chat with your friends, and maybe even show off your latest drawing. Taking breaks helps you recharge and come back even stronger. Homework time can be a breeze with a few smart tricks. Find a quiet spot to work, break your tasks into smaller chunks, and don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. And when you're done, celebrate your accomplishments. You are all set for an amazing journey of learning and growing. Remember, every challenge is a chance to shine, and every question is a step toward understanding. Have confidence in yourself, be kind to others, and embrace the excitement of learning.